Motor Control Training. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex North American electrical safety codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course covers motor control fundamentals, wiring methods, and ladder diagrams. Students study motor starters, overload protection, and control devices, gaining a complete understanding of motor control circuits used in industrial and commercial facilities. What you'll learn. Students will learn motor control fundamentals and safety requirements, wiring methods and ladder diagrams, motor starters and overload protection, control devices such as relays, contactors, and sensors, troubleshooting motor control circuits, and integration of motor control with automation systems. This course involves detailed lectures and group discussions. Students review real-world examples, troubleshooting scenarios, and develop practical skills to improve motor system reliability in industrial settings. Who should attend? This course is designed for industrial electricians and technicians, control system engineers, maintenance staff working with motor systems, and apprentices seeking motor control knowledge. This course comes with a motor control training certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, and a detailed Motors and Drives handbook. Register for motor control training to gain practical control circuit skills and improve system reliability.